Hi beauties, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today is the first February sneak peek. Yes, I'm so excited. We finally see this product, but before we get to that, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And I want to remind you about my giveaway. We have these two beautiful palettes. The first one is the James Charles Morphe Collaboration, and the second is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Soft Glam palette. All the rules are listed below. Let's get into that first February sneak peek. It is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. This mascara is an intensely black volumizing mascara with an hourglass shaped brush that separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. The shape of the curves of a woman's body inspired the hourglass shaped brush. It was designed with extra stiff bristles to maximize the performance of the carbon black collagen infused formula. The one coat and lashes are full and defined. Two coats and lashes are even more luscious, curled, and dramatic. Three coats help you achieve the most intense black, multi-dimensional lashes possible. And this is the best-selling mascara in America. So, he also gave us a Boxy Luxe Baller today. I will have a separate video on what these products may be, but I wanted to let you know what this is on the end of this video. He had a whiteboard behind him, and he had meeting agenda. And as you can see, he has some kind of writing under it. And he said this is the brand of the first Boxy Luxe product in the March Boxy Luxe. And what that translates to in English is Touch of Soul. It's a Touch of Soul product. That's our first Boxy Luxe product. So, thank you all for watching. Tell me what you think. Maybe that Touch of Soul product will be at the bottom of in the comments. And until I see you next time, bye.